Hey, welcome to Easy Solutions. Yes, I'm back again today with a video tutorial. We're talking about creating Reels and YouTube Shorts. Now, with YouTube Shorts, there's you have to at least have 4,000 hours of watch time with that. But that's okay. That is quite okay. That's if you have a YouTube channel. Now, most of you may have, and most of you may not. But if you're doing Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, you could do this with this specific tools that I'm going to share with you today. And those are free tools, and I will leave a link down below if you happen to make a purchase in the near future with the tools where you can get all the pros with that specific tool. Then I will get a commission with that. And that would help me out a lot as well, and help me create more tutorial videos just like this today. Now, with that being said, let's dive on in. We're going to go ahead and dive on inside of invideo is what I'm sharing right now with you on my screen. And what in video, sorry about that, but invideo is another tool that I use to make my YouTube shorts, on my reels, on Facebook, and so forth, and Instagram as well. Like I said, on TikTok, which I don't do TikTok. I only have an Instagram account and a Facebook account. But with that being said, like I said, right here I'm off inside invideo. It's a free tool to use, which I went on and purchased the pro version of this, which I can get a more initial deals and whatnot. But once you start creating things and you start making money or something like that, then maybe you in the near future you'll purchase and get all the pro tools that's with inside here. Now, with that being said, let me go ahead a little bit more, dive in deep in what I'm gonna do here. Now, if you go in here and you're doing any type of these vertical, these. Is it vertical, horizontal? My mind is really short right now. But right now, if you do like these horizontal posts like these right here, this would not work for a short. You want to do like the text to video, like these ones that you see up here. These are like, if you do this one right here, I'm going to show you in a little bit that video doesn't get a lot of recognition as a YouTube short. It has to be like vertical. In other words, it has to be vertical, like up and down, like what I said, into like made like a phone. And so like this one right here, the vertical one. Now, if you do the wide, like I said, the wide screen horizontal, this will not work as a YouTube short or a reel because it's vertical. This will not work. Okay, it has to be vertical. It has to be vertical, not horizontal. I'm sorry, too early for me. But anyway, but you have all these different types of templates that you can go with inside here, and it's gonna these right here. You can use any of these templates, and do something like that. But with that being said, I'm gonna show you here just a little bit how to use this. Just 1 second. Let's dive in deep. Okay, I'm going to pick one real quick here. Let's go with this one right here. Let's just do this one. Matter of fact, no, I'm not going to pick that. I'm going to go back up, and I'm going to start with the one that I was editing on, okay? I'm going to let that load up. Hopefully it works well, because hopefully I don't have no kind of mishaps while I'm doing this tutorial video with you, ladies and gentlemen. But with that being said, okay, as you can see, I got a script already over here. I'm not going to use this whole entire script because it will be entirely, as you can see, it's too long. And what I recommend that whenever you're doing a reel or a YouTube short, any of your reels should be 15 seconds. 15 seconds, no more or it could be less, okay? But no more than 15 seconds. Might get by with 17, 16, maybe 20. But if you go any time longer than that, it won't be considered a short, okay? And it will not be considered a reel. All right. Now, with that being said, let's go kind of like play around with this a little bit. So what I would do is, let's see here. what I would do here is advanced editor. I will click on this right here. Okay. See if it's loading up. Advanced editor. There we go. Load up. Super quick. Okay, with the advanced editor, as you can see, there's some here going. All right. Let's see. Now, if I hit play, got a little music going with it. I'm not gonna keep that playing, but as you can see, I can shorten this down. I'm gonna show you here. Just move this all the way down here, because right now it's showing 49 minutes and 14 seconds. Okay, so we don't want it entirely that long. So what I'm gonna do, I probably would take some of these here out. Let's see. You click on this, and where you would do that to delete. See this little trash bin right here? Hit that little trash right there to delete. It's gonna say yes or okay, and you just maybe keep doing that until you get the ones that you don't want in there, whatnot. But well, like I say, you want to cut this down to 15 seconds or less. Okay. Now I'm not gonna spend too much time with this, but I'm just giving you an idea on how to do this. Okay. Invideo is pretty awesome because it's an AI tool. And what I mean by AI, if you're not familiar with AI, is artificial intelligence. So in other words, what you would do, you would go in this right here. The specific tool has a where you put in the script. It can also do the voice recognition. It can also do where you can go inside here and put like a web address, and it will pick up some type of data from that web address and make out the script for you, where you don't have to do all this writing and so forth. Just for us lazy people. Okay. Now with that being said, let's see, 16 seconds. I can narrow this down maybe a little shorter to about right there, which is going to give it to 9 minutes. Well, that's still 9 minutes. Now we want 15 seconds. So let's see. I might take this here out because I think I got this in several times. Let's see. Yes, we take that out. And I think this is the last part of the video right there. No, it's more in here, is it? Let's see. I think that's like 2 minutes, 2 seconds and 12, something like that. But but you get the concept right here in here, right? Okay, hopefully you do. But see all these right here. Initially, I could drag this in this video, take this video here, shorten it down to maybe like about right there, and I'm gonna say done. That's gonna add that in there, okay? But I want to add that here, and that's pretty much how you would do a reel again, okay? Now, with that being said, yes, you can add your other music. There's different logos. You can put your logo. You can put images. There's all different types of images. You can add another video inside there, or that's inside the video itself. Okay. Then you can also change colors. You can, that's whatever modifies. That's with your brand. Okay. With that being said. All right, now you can do text, like I said, you can add your own texting and so forth inside here. Like to bring your own deal. Like I said, you would want to do vertical, as I said before. You can even also upload different pictures or whatnot from whatever you got down inside of your computer. Okay. Now, with that being said, let's go to one of my favorite places, and it's free as well, and that is Canva. Yes, canva.com. I will leave a link down below. As you can see that I do have a few reels in here. Like the one that you want to pick is maybe like either the Instagram post, not the YouTube thumbnail, but Facebook post, or your story. Okay. Now, me personally, what I would do is I would go up here and let's say create design, and I would type in mobile. You see, and this would make it much more simple. So I would go like mobile video 1080 1920. That's That is the actual measurements of that video. Okay. Now, with that being said, there's gonna be a whole bunch of them. See, like this. See how it's vertical right here, and then you're gonna get a whole bunch of these templates that's gonna pop up over here to the side. Okay. And you can add those inside here, just like so. Let's say I want this template, but let's say I want this template. Okay, this one right here. Which, like I said, I am a pro member. I pay a monthly subscription for this, and I don't feel like I can't go wrong because I got music and everything else that I can add inside here, and I don't have to just keep flipping around and looking for other music that's out there that's royalty free, which YouTube has royalty free music that you could actually go inside there and get royalty free music from YouTube. I would share that with you guys today, but with that being said, like I said, if you really been around my channel, you'll see that onto another specific video that I have shared before. Now, with that being said, actually, I will leave a link at the top for that specific video, okay? Now, with that being said, like I said, you would take here, like say, uploads. Okay, so I got some videos that's already inside here, so I would go to videos right here. And let's say I wanted to add this, which is like 21 seconds long. But I want to make that video for, okay, let's say, because I want to add another video in there, so I might have it like for 4 seconds, okay? Very, very easy to do, as you can see. Okay, now I would add maybe like this little bird right here. I put this in, okay, and now it's saying that the video is 10 seconds long. So let's say I wanted to go in and add this butterflies right here, right? Okay, I'm going to shorten it down just a little bit because now it's 56 seconds long. We don't need it that long. I said we needed to have it 15 to 20 seconds at the most. And that's right at 15 seconds, my friend. Okay, so now I'm letting that play. As you can see, there is no sound inside there. Okay, now with that being said, I'm going to stop that just 1 second. Okay, and I'm going to put some music in there. Already right now we're at 11 minutes in time with this video. I don't want to keep you guys here too much longer. I want you to get on the rest of your day. Maybe you have something else to do. Let's go to audio, and let's find some type of music here. Get that music right there and put it in there. Just place it down inside there, and there it's gonna render out to that length of that video. Okay, pause that, and let me let you hear that. And then you can take it and go right here and go put some text in there. You know, take your text and put in there, and you can just type some things inside here like this. Just type something in there. But as you can see, okay, what you would want to do is go back. Okay, what you want to do with that, okay, I'm gonna expand it out, and then I'm gonna shorten it down just so where the words will be showing up. I'm gonna move this up like that so where it can be seen. As you can see right there, there's the words, and I can change it. I can add different colors. I can make that text red if I want. I can say right here, I can change I'm gonna bold it right there. I can change the font. That's what I was trying to say. Sorry guys, excuse me right now. I can add some effects in there if I want to. There's some free effects that's inside here. You don't have to actually be a pro. We're gonna leave it at that. I'm not saying I like it. I'm just trying to make this video short and sweet, because I'm gonna let you get on your way. We're gonna end this video here. What you see the crowns onto these right here. These are actually the pro version of that. Okay, so just remember that you can do any of these right here. You can do the typewriter to type it out, and that will type it out as you when the video go in and play. And you can add text, like I say, throughout the video, or different quotes and so forth, or or whatever that resonates with you, or whatever you're specifically doing. Now, with that being said, you continue on having a glorious, blessed day. See you on the next video. you learned a lot throughout the tutorial. If you have any suggestions or any questions, feel free to go down and comment below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Bye for now.